Ladies and gentlemen, I go by the name of Bobby B. Thank you for joining me. I'm going to teach you how to edit like a pro using free apps. I only use 2 apps, man. That's it, 2 apps. These are both on iOS. Snapseed is for both iOS and Google, but PicsArt is only for iOS, so you won't find that, but you can still pay attention to the first part of the video because this is solid. So right here we got our blank canvas, just a picture of a Buffalo Bills player, and really image quality is key when you're editing. That's probably the biggest key. So right now we got Snapseed open. We open up the photo. We're gonna go on the bottom to tools, and then the top left, tune image. So right out the get-go you got brightness. It depends the lighting of the photo, obviously. I usually like to turn my brightness down. Contrast, we're not gonna touch. Saturation, gonna bring up a little bit, make those colors pop. Ambience, we're gonna bring up a tiny bit. Highlights, we're gonna bring up. It makes those whites really pop. The next is shadows. We're gonna bring that up and kind of gives the shadows more light. Warmth, we're not touching. So that's about it on that. We're gonna go back down to tools, and then you're gonna hit the second one that is called details. Now structure, I turn up. It kind of gives it that cartoonish type of feel. So we turn structure up, and then within that same category is sharpening. And I usually turn the sharpening up, gives it, a little bit more fine detail. And that's it. That's it for Snapseed, man. Now what you can do is go to vignette. Sometimes I darken out the edges. You don't have to. It's up to you. You can darken or lighten, but for this picture, I darken out the edges a tiny bit. It kind of makes the center really like pop, as you can see. But I'm gonna show you here in a second. This is about it, man. I mean, your picture is good. On the bottom right, you go to export to save the photo, and that's really all you have to do. I mean, look at the image. It's solid, right? You really don't have to do anything else. But as a content creator, I do take a lot of my business photos to the next level. So for the next level, I open up PicsArt, open up the photo, then we go to effects. In effects, I'm going to select, let's see here, Dodger, okay. Dodger, and I turn it up a little bit. It kind of flattens the image, as I would say. And then we're gonna go, so you accept that, you apply it. Then I add one more effects, and that is drama. It really gives the photo like a matte finish. Again, every picture, the lighting is different, so don't use the exact numbers that I used, but as you can see, the finished product, you save the photo, save, bottom left, save again, save to your device, and look at that. That's ready, man. That's ready to go on your blog, your website, your page, all apps. These apps are all free. Like, comment, subscribe if you want to see more. I'm your boy Bobby B. You can find me on Instagram at SteadyBossHogging. Let me know if you got any questions. Thank you for joining me, and take it easy.